Hey everyone, Nick Griot from Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our G8 Mini Random Orbital Polisher. The all-new G8 represents the second project we've taken on with our new manufacturing partner, who's allowed us to improve every aspect of the tool and take the best 3-inch random orbital platform on the market and make it even better. This exciting machine replaces our 3-inch random orbital and serves as a great complement to its big brother, the G9. The G8 is tailor-made for addressing A-pillars, B-pillars, intricate spaces like fender lips, roof edges, bumpers, and even your license plate surround. If all you own are motorcycles or small stuff, this may be the only tool you'll ever need. In addition to maneuverability, the G8 gets a big jump in power, a larger orbit, a variable speed trigger, and is immediately adaptable to either 2 or 3-inch backing plates, both of which are included with the machine. The G8 is powered by a 700-watt motor, which is nearly 3 times the power output of our previous 3-inch machine, and it delivers a speed range of 2,000 to 6,400 orbits per minute. The G8 sports an 8mm throw, which is a 60% larger throw than the old 3-inch machine's 5mm orbit. These upgrades are a direct response to meet customer demands and drastically improve the correction capability of this precision tool while retaining a small enough footprint to allow it to fit into as many tight spaces as possible. The G8 is delivered with a 3-inch backing plate, but includes a 2-inch plate in the box for those who need to better pinpoint their polishing. We've improved the 3-inch plate for superior ventilation to counteract the heat that's generated at the pad's contact patch. Likewise, in using the G8, I found the 2-inch backing plate to be especially effective on A-pillars and those super intricate spaces that are notoriously hard to polish. In addition to these unique features, the G8 includes all the technological advancements of its big brother, the G9, namely our patent-pending fan-cooled counterbalance, high-tech bearings, upgraded internals, and a ton of ergonomic improvements. As such, the G8 feels great in your hands. Its liberal use of double-shot rubber, contoured body and head make the machine easy to control and comfortable no matter how you choose to hold it. You'll also find the Ambidextrous speed control dial makes on-the-fly speed changes much more seamless than the previous machine, and the G8, unlike the G9, has a variable speed trigger which allows you to set your speed and feather the throttle all the way up to full speed, whichever speed you choose to run. The G8 also runs the same quick connect detachable cord as the G9, and we should point out that the cords are interchangeable between the two machines. This makes for a more tidy detailing cart and a pretty cool party trick to show your detailing buddies. The G8 is good for more than just bodywork. It can be employed for headlight restoration, glass polishing, and it's the go-to polisher for motorcycle owners. Thank you for watching. For more information on our G8 Mini Random Orbital Polisher, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.